Let's diagnose the capacity at which wind speed in Mashonaland West can be of effective as experienced per annum, and this can help in underwriting winter wheat crop in the next season. Rarely it is possible for wind speed commonly experienced in Mashonaland West can cause lodging, because devastating wind speed that can cause lodging ranges between 35 and 45 kilometers per hour. The average wind speed that is experienced in Mashonaland West rarely goes beyond 30 kilometers per hour per annum. The effect on stem lodging is commonly experienced through irrigation application rate at hard dough or soft dough stages, at which irrigation is applied at 30 mils of water at a center pivot speed of less than 20%. That eventually can cause heaviness on the crop, thereby inducing and triggering stem lodging at a slightest wind speed of less than 25 kilometers per hour. Policies that manages these circumstances can help in reducing maximum and inflated risks potentials that can be a loss to this particular crop field.